Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure vehicle expense tracking for Schedule C, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure vehicle expense tracking for Schedule C, start by gathering all necessary documents related to your vehicle expenses. Collect items such as fuel receipts, maintenance records, and any other relevant expense documentation. Determine whether you will use the standard mileage rate or actual expenses method for your vehicle deductions. If you choose the standard mileage rate, familiarize yourself with the current mileage rate set by the IRS. Begin by tracking your business mileage using a logbook or a mileage tracking app. Record the total number of miles driven for business purposes, including trips to meet clients, attend meetings, or other work-related travel. Next, calculate your total miles driven during the year. Keep a separate log for personal miles to ensure accurate reporting. Now, if you opt for the actual expenses method, create a detailed record of all vehicle expenses. This includes fuel costs, insurance, repairs, and depreciation if applicable. Keep all receipts and documentation organized for easy reference. At the end of the year, total your business expenses and separate them from personal expenses. If using the standard mileage rate, multiply your business miles driven by the current mileage rate. If using actual expenses, sum up all business-related expenses for the vehicle. Next, utilize IRS Form 4562 to report your vehicle expenses on Schedule C. Make sure to fill in the appropriate sections based on the method you've chosen. Double-check your calculations for accuracy before filing. Finally, keep all documentation for at least 3 years, as the IRS may audit your reported expenses. Following these steps will help you effectively configure vehicle expense tracking for your Schedule C. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.